Hey, I'm Simon. Today we're going to show you how to test and replace the PCB on your LG dryer. If you are experiencing problems such as a dryer not starting, it might be time to examine or switch out this component. Before we get started, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more straightforward step-by-step appliance repair guides. Let's make fixing this together an easy task. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you to do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For the job, we're going to need a Flatblade screwdriver, a multimeter, a power tool with the Phillips bead. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Don't forget to unplug your dryer or turn the breakers off, and also turn the gas off. If nothing happens when you press the start button on your LG dryer, the reason for this could be the PCB. To find out if the PCB is at fault, we can run the voltage test at the control board. One of the best tools that you can have in your toolbox is a multimeter, and we would love to show you how this device works and how you can benefit from using it. Check out the video in the description. Extreme care should always be taken to protect against electrical shock, which could potentially result in serious injury. Please do not test live voltage if you are uncomfortable using a multimeter around live voltage. Take out 3 Phillips screws from the back of the dryer's top and slide it out. Locate the PCB housing at the top middle of the dryer. Remove 2 Phillips screws from the sides of the housing and then, using the Flatblade screwdriver, release the side clips and open the PCB's cover. Set your multimeter to volts AC, the letter V with wavy line, and locate the yellow relay X2 and the blue block BL2 with a single yellow wire. Insert one probe in a brown wire terminal at the relay X2 and another one into yellow wire connector at BL2. Plug the dryer in, press the power button, and then start button. If you see about 120 volts AC reading on your meter and the motor is not running, you've got a lemon for a motor. If there is no proper voltage and we already checked other responsible components, replace the PCB. Don't forget to unplug your dryer or turn the breakers off. Snap a picture or two of the connector plugs at the PCB. You may need it. Then disconnect all the plugs from the PCB. Bring in and connect the plugs to the new PCB. Refer to the pics you took earlier. Tuck in the wires. Close the housing, turn it over and secure it with 2 Phillips screws. Install the top panel, push it forward to lock and secure with 3 Phillips screws from the back. Plug the dryer in and don't forget to open the gas. Great job tackling the PCB replacement on your dryer. We would love to hear about your repair experience, so feel free to share your story in the comments below. If you need a new PCB or any other parts for your LG dryer, just grab your model number and visit AppliancePartsPros.com. Most orders arrive in just a few days. Thanks for trusting us with your repair, and we are looking forward to helping you with your next project.